Ladies and gentlemen, once I purchased the Canon EOS R5, there are kind of extra costs involved that were well known to me, but some of you might not know about it. So if you're trying to record 4K 60, 4K 120 or 8K videos, you do need a CFexpress card. It's the same story with the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. So with the extra card you need to spend extra money, and with the extra card you require an additional card reader because your SD card readers won't work anymore. So I found this one here, which is available also in the video description below, so make sure to tap on that link. The one from SanDisk itself has really bad comments on Amazon, so I decided to get this one here. It's a really tiny one. Here's a USB-C port. Let's have a look at the back very quick. I'm recording this now in 4K with the Canon EOS R5. And here, let's see what it says. Provides next generation transfer speeds for high quality images and raw 4K video. Package contains CFexpress USB 3.1 reader, USB Type-C to standard USB Type-A cable, so there's no USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable included, and here are the system requirements. I'm recording this in 4K, so you should see that. So link is in the video description below. Make sure to follow me on Telegram as well. And we're gonna test this card reader if it works in combination with my iPad Pro 2018. And yes, it's made of plastic, USB Type-C and a slot for the CFexpress card. Here's the cable, USB Type-C to USB-A. And here is my memory card. It's the SanDisk Extreme Pro CFexpress card, 512 gigabytes. Man, these cards are getting hot once you record 4K footage or even 8K footage using your Canon EOS R5. So ladies and gentlemen, here's my iPad Pro 2018. The memory card is stuck into my card reader, DCIM. Here's the footage we just took together. Let's see this one here. Timeline. Takes a bit until you see anything down here. It's not quite fluent. I mean, it's 4K 25 footage recorded with a full frame camera. So here it's stuck a little bit. You can flip the clip around. You can share this clip straight away from this memory card. However, I wouldn't recommend so because it probably takes ages. Let's close it. And let's do the following. I will copy this clip now to see if it works, if we can get this clip onto the storage of my iPad. Say copy. And let's see if it works. So for some reason, when I try to copy a file taken with my camera, with this card reader attached to the iPad, it takes a few moments. It seems to be that something is happening inside this app now, but I don't know what. And it takes a few seconds until it catches up and you're able to do something again. So let's wait a couple seconds. Now I can paste it. So this one has a size of 1.83 gigabytes. Let's see how long it takes. So unfortunately, Apple has forgotten to put something like a blue line that you usually would expect to have on a Mac. So I stopped the time here and it was about 50 seconds. So it took 50 seconds to copy this clip from the memory card onto the internal storage of my iPad Pro. But from here it should go much quicker since it's on the iPad. See, the timeline is quite quick. Let's put on the sound. Cable included, and here are the system requirements. I'm recording it. So no problem here at all. Let's delete this file and try it on my MacBook Pro. Here's my holy computer. I hope you can see it. Here is the Lexar card reader. Let's see how long it takes until it pops up. There it is. Perfect. Let's see. I don't want to use this as a backup. And from here, everything works quite normal in the Apple environment. The one from SanDisk itself. Let's see how long it takes to copy this file here. It's also the 1.83 gigabyte. It took like 5 seconds. So it's fine. It's working on the Mac without any problems. I hope this video helped you to make the decision. The link is in the video description below. Make sure to follow me on Telegram. See you very, very soon. And tschüss from Germany.